What if your child could just speak English in everyday life easily, with joy, and without being afraid of making mistakes? I'm Gabriella, a methodologist at Allright School. Every day, we study how children learn languages most effectively. And science confirms it, kids learn much faster through real, live communication. That's why we created Allright Plus. It's not a replacement for individual lessons, but a way to deepen knowledge and reach results faster. Allright Plus consists of two parts: International Speaking Clubs and Charlie, our virtual tutor. In the International Speaking Clubs, children chat in English in small groups about topics they truly enjoy: cartoons, games, dreams, and much more. A teacher leads each session, and kids learn naturally, simply by talking. We run more than 500 clubs every week, so it's easy to choose a topic and time that will fit your child perfectly. With Charlie, our AI-powered virtual tutor, your child can practice pronunciation and learn new words without any stress. They can speak out loud, Charlie listens attentively and supports them along the way. Allright Plus complements individual lessons. Children practice with Charlie, gain confidence, and then speak boldly with kids from different countries during club sessions. From my experience, this kind of pressure-free support leads to steady and fast progress. I sincerely recommend trying Allright Plus for your child to help unlock their full learning potential. The first month is free, give it a try today.